Math fans, I hope you're ready for some racing. How's it going, math fans? Coach Joe here, and welcome back to another fun math lesson. It's almost Thanksgiving, and you know what that means. Time for our annual Turkey Trot races. We have 3 turkeys that will be participating in our races today, and we're going to be doing some multiplication. First, before we get into the math, let's take a look at our 3 racers. Here are our racers for the 2025 Turkey Trot Championship. In the blue lane, we have Gobbler. In the red lane, we have Cornbread. And in the green lane, we have Beauty and the Feast. Now that we met the racers, let's talk a little bit about the math. Today we'll be doing multiplication problems with double-digit numbers. That means that each of the numbers in our equations will have 2 digits. We're going to answer 3 of them, and each time we answer one, we'll go to the track and watch a race. Whoever wins the most races will be the champion. Let's take a look at our first problem. Here is our first multiplication problem. 37 times 49. 37 times 49. I want you to pause the video and solve this multiplication problem. You can use the number line if you want to work on your multiplication facts. After you're done, come back and we're going to go over it together. All right, you should have your answer written down. Let's solve it together. We are going to start in the ones place with our bottom number, and we're going to multiply straight up. 9 times 7 is 63. Put my 6 up at the top. Now I want to do 9 times 3, which is 27, plus 6, which is 33. Make sure, before we start our next part, we put a 0 in the ones place as our placeholder. We don't want to accidentally put our first number in our ones. Now we're going to work off of the 4. 4 times 7 equals 28. Put my 2 up at the top. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14. And now we will add up all of our numbers. And we get 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 plus 8 is 11. Carry my 1. 3 plus 4 plus 1 is 8. And 0 plus 1 is 1. 37 times 49 equals 1,813. If you got that right, give yourself a big thumbs up. And let's head over to the Turkey Trot track to watch our first race. All 3 turkeys are at the starting line. It's time to make your prediction on who's going to win. Will it be Gobbler in the blue lane, Cornbread in the red lane, or Beauty and the Feast in the green lane? Make your selections now. On your marks. Get set. Go! And the winner of the first race is Cornbread. Let's try another multiplication problem, and then we can try race number 2. Here is our next multiplication problem. 58 times 76. 58 times 76. I want you to pause the video, solve this problem, and when you're done, come back and we'll do it together. All right, you should have your answer written down. I rewrote the problem, so I have my 58 on the top and my 76 on the bottom. We're going to start off with multiplying the 6 in the 76, and we're going to multiply straight up. 6 times 8 is 48. Put my 8 at the bottom carry my 4 on top of the 5. Next, I want to do 6 times 5, which is 30. And don't forget to add your 4. 30 plus 4 is 34. Before we continue, don't forget to put your 0 as a placeholder in the ones. I want my first number to go underneath the tens. 7 times 8 is 56. Put my 5 up at the top. 7 times 5 is 35. Plus 5 is 40. And now we take all of our numbers and we add them together. 8 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus 6 is 10. Carry my 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. That means that 58 times 76 equals 4,408. If you got that right, give yourself a big thumbs up. Now let's head over to the Turkey Trot track so we can watch race number 2. Awesome job answering that multiplication problem. It's time now for race number 2. Will it be Gobbler in the blue lane, Cornbread in the red lane, or Beauty and the Feast in the green lane? On your marks, get set, go! And in a super impressive victory, Beauty and the Feast has come out on top. We're going to do one more multiplication problem, and then we'll do a final race. Here is our final multiplication problem. 94 times 85. 94 times 85. I want you to pause the video, answer this problem, and when you're done, come back and we'll do it together. You should have your answer written down. I rewrote the problem, so I have my 94 on the top and 85 on the bottom. Let's start off with the 5 in our 85. And we're going to multiply straight up. 5 times 4 is 20. My 0 at the bottom and carry my 2 over on top of the 9. Next, we want to do 5 times 9, which is 45, plus 2 is 47. Don't forget to add your 0 placeholder before we start multiplying next. Let's move over to the 8. We're going to multiply 8 times 4, and we get 32. My 2 at the bottom, carry my 3 on top of the 9. Next, we want to do 8 times 9, which is 72, plus 3 is 75. Let's add it on up. 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 2 is 9. 4 plus 5 is also 9. And 0 plus 7 is 7. That means 94 times 85 equals 7,990. If you got that right, give yourself a big thumbs up. It is time to head to the track. We will crown a champion in race number 3. All right, math fans, welcome to race number 3, where we will crown the Turkey Trot Champion. Who is it going to be? Will it be Gobbler in the blue lane, Cornbread in the red lane, or Beauty and the Feast in the green lane? Make your prediction now. On your marks, get set, go! And there you have it. Our Turkey Trot champion for this year is Beauty and the Feast. Congratulations to all of our participants and our 2025 Turkey Trot Champion, Beauty and the Feast. Well, that was pretty awesome. Congratulations to our Turkey Trot Champion, Beauty and the Feast. And an even bigger congratulations to you for answering those multiplication problems. You did awesome today. If you had fun, give me 2 big thumbs up. And I will see you next time for some more math.